Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and welcome to our off-grid Alaskan homestead. It's been a long winter and the snow is deep here in Alaska, but we've got a lot of projects, including replacing our collapsed garage. We've got lots of friends visiting, a lot of snow machining to do, and we're bringing you guys along for the ride. Took a while, but we got the side-by-side all up and running and all of its maintenance done. It's running really good now.
Got her?
You're just hooking it straight to the starter?